Hello everyone. This is the first video of lecture series for mathematics of grade 10. So we are going to start from chapter 7, section 4, which is about regular polygons. In grade 9, you learned about polygons. You learned about different types of polygons, convex polygons, concave polygons, and even regular polygons. And you learned some theorems about them. Here in this video, we will review those definitions, concepts, and some of the theorems. So the first one, if you recall from grade 9, is the definition of a regular polygon, which is a polygon that all of its sides are congruent and all of its interior angles are congruent. So in other words, it is a kind of a polygon that all of its sides have the same length and all of its interior angles have the same length. So for example, if you take a look at this polygon over here, you see that the sides are congruent. Look, all the sides have the same measure, and even all the interior angles are the same size. So this is an interior angle here, it's one of them. This is another one. This one, and this one. So they're all congruent. So this polygon is a regular polygon. Next thing we have about regular polygons is interior angle sum theorem. So it says if you add the interior angles of a polygon, which has to be convex, so the polygon is convex, so in particular regular polygons are always convex. So if you add all the interior angles of a convex polygon, which has n sides, the answer is given by this formula, n minus 2 times 180. So that's the interior sum formula, which you had it even in grade 9. So let's see some examples. Example, find the sum of interior angles of a regular hexagon. So remember, hexagon has 6 sides, right? Okay, so hexagon, 6 sides. So in other words, n equals 6. Okay, so now let's write the formula and find the sum. Sum equals n minus 2 times 180. So now replace n by 6. 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180, which is equal to 720. So if you add up all the interior angles of a regular hexagon, the answer is what? 720. Let's see one other example. Find the measure. So find the measure of each interior angle of a regular decagon. So here you're going to find each interior angle. So again, if you remember from grade 9, decagon is a regular polygon that has 10 sides. So here n equals 10. To find each angle, first we find the sum, we find the total measure of angles, we find the sum of the interior angles, and because since it is regular, it means all the angles are equal, right? So we can divide the result by 10, and that will be the measure of each interior angle. So let's find the sum first. Sum equals 10 minus 2 times 180 equals. So 10 minus 2 is what? 8 times 180, which is equal to 1,440. So that's the sum. Now to find each interior angle, each int angle, we divide this number by the number of sides, which was n, which was 10 in this case. And that is equal to 144. And that's the measure of each interior angle of a regular decagon. Okay? So these examples are very easy. You had them in grade 9. So here's just like a review for you. Last example for this video. In the following figure, find the value of x. So you have a polygon here, which is convex. And question is, find the value of x. What is the measure of x here in this polygon? Okay, let's see. We know that if we add all these angles, the answer is n minus 2 times 180, right? That's the interior angle sum theorem. So let's add all of these angles and see if we can come up with an equation to find the value of x. So according to interior angle sum, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E equals n minus 2 times 180. In this case, n equals how many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5. So 5 minus 2 times 180. Now let's replace the values for these angles. Angle A is given by the measure given by x plus angle B is 100. Angle C is 95. D is x plus 10. And finally, angle E is given by x. So that's equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 is 0, 4, 5. So which is 540. So now on the left side, we can combine the like terms. X, this x, and this x will give us 3x plus 100 plus 95 is 195, and plus 10 is 205 equals 540. So now we can take 205 to other side. 3x equals 540 minus 205. So 3x equals 540 minus 205 is 335. Now we have to divide by 3. So x equals 335 over 3. Since 335 is not divisible by 3, so we can just leave the answer in this form. So the value of x in this shape is 335 divided by 3. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will talk a little bit more about regular polygons.